Hi, I'm Emma Seal, and in this video we're going to be talking about squats. This is part of a playlist where we look at some of the most common bodyweight exercises that are used in workouts. In each video we're going to go through the techniques and how to get the most out of each exercise and some of the common mistakes that people may do when they're not used to doing these exercises. For more of these videos, check out the playlist using the card above or clicking the link in the description. Squats are a lower body weight exercise that are very common in most workouts. They're fantastic for supporting and strengthening your quads and also engaging your glutes. Now, having a strong lower body helps support your lower back as well. So we're going to have a look at technique. Now, the first thing I would say is you need to make sure your legs are at least hip width apart, okay? They don't want to be too close, they don't want to be too wide for a standard squat. So we're going to have legs hip width apart, and sometimes the common thing people do is think about bending their knees first. So rather than bending your knees first, I need you to think about pushing the hips and pivoting from here. So we push the hips back and then sit into it and bend the knees. If you just bend, what will happen is your knees will go beyond your toes and you're likely to bring your heels up. We need to make sure that your heels stay flat to the floor and you sit back so that your knees do not go beyond the toes. The back stays strong and the chest stays up. Another one of the issues that people often do is they do this right technique with the seated, but they don't go as far and they leave the bottom in the air and lean forwards. What we actually need to do is try and get that bottom down to knee high and push up through the heels as you come back up to standing. So even when you push back and sit into it, don't then transfer the weight onto your toes and bring the heels up, because that way you're bringing the pressure up through the front of the legs, which stops at the knees. We're aiming to bring the pressure up through the backs of the legs and engaging into the glutes. All the time we're doing this, we're pulling the tummy in nice and tight to keep that lower back strong. So we'll squeeze on the down, push through the heels, coming up to standing each time. Breathe in, push back. Breathe out, push up. There's your squat, so you can push down and up, and we should be feeling it down the backs of the legs. Just doing it with body weight should be sufficient enough to give you some good strength in the lower body, but you can also add in dumbbells or kettlebells or any kind of weights as well. For more videos like this, have a look at the playlist using the card above or the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in another video.